Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new video and this time I bought you some budget tactical flashlights. The special thing about these flashlights is they have a zoom feature. Yes, you heard me right, you can actually zoom the light on these flashlights. Awesome, right? I'm quite excited to unbox and check them out. They're made by this company called Hosyo and come in these simple white boxes. The company sent me two different models. One is a 5000 lumen flashlight and the other one is a 1000 lumen model. We'll unbox them one by one. Let's start with the small one. I want to thank Hosyo for sending me this product for review. Alright, on opening the box, we have the flashlight and a plastic tube. There is nothing else. This plastic tube is an 18650 battery adapter. So here is the Hosyo Tactical flashlight. This model is called the UFO-A. It's a 1000 lumen flashlight. The build quality looks good. I'll tell you all of its features in a moment. First, let me unbox the other flashlight also. Even this comes in this simple plain white box, nothing written on it. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. So in the box we only have the flashlight. The company should have at least provided user manuals for them. Okay, so this is how the other torch looks like. It's a bit taller than the previous one and it's called the DTXL. Now let's check out the UFO-A. You've got the Hosyo branding. The build quality looks good. It's made of aerospace grade aluminum and it's a zoomable torch. This is how it extends and zooms the light. There's also this clip holder so you can easily carry it in your pocket. You've got the model number here, UFO-A. Let's check out the LED. This flashlight has a creased T6 LED which can produce a max output of 1000 lumens and the quality of the lens also looks nice. It's got a convex lens with an aluminum reflector. Let me show you the bottom. It's got a multi-function button which is used to power on and access the different modes. The battery compartment is over here. Let me remove the cap and show you the inside. You've got this AAA battery holder. So you can power up this torch with either 3 AAA batteries or a single 18650 battery using that adapter. The Hosyo UFO-A has 5 light modes and is also IPX4 water resistant. We'll insert the batteries later. First let's check out the other torch. The Hosyo DTXL is a quite powerful flashlight. The company says it's a 5000 lumen torch. We'll have to see how bright it is. The body is made of aluminum and comes in silver color with gold accents. You've got the model number here, DTXL. There's a strap attached to it so you can also wear it on your wrist and has a multi-function button in the same position. Let me show you the battery compartment. I don't think this model is waterproof because the company hasn't specified anything about that. You need to insert two 18650 batteries to power on this torch. Alright guys, now what we'll do is we'll insert batteries in both of them and see how they perform. In the UFO-A flashlight, you need to insert 3 AAA batteries or one 18650 battery with the help of this plastic adapter. I'll be using an 18650 battery in today's video. So first insert the tube in the body, then check the polarity of the battery. The positive terminal end should go inside the compartment, just like this. Now close the compartment tightly with the cap. So that was how you install batteries on the UFO-A. Now coming to the other torch, DTXL, you need to insert two 18650 batteries with the positive polarity going in, just like this. So that was about the installation of the batteries in both the torches. Now let's go out and see how they perform in the dark. Okay, so we're in front of my house. It's very dark over here. We'll be first testing out the UFO-A torch. Let's power it on. This torch has 5 modes and right now it's in the highest brightness mode. This is the medium mode. The UFO-A can produce a max output of 1000 lumens and this is the low mode. It also has 2 special modes called strobe mode and SOS mode which can be very useful in case of emergencies. So these were all the different modes on this torch. Now let me show you the zoom feature. The zoom feature allows you to adjust the beam angle from narrow to wide. In the narrow mode, you can see a concentrated square patch with a longer range, and the wide mode is used to see large objects clearly in a close distance. Everything was good about this torch, but one thing I'd say was the color temperature of the light was towards cooler side. Now let's check out the other flashlight. The DTXL also has the same 5 light modes and everything is same including the zoom feature. The company says it can produce 5000 lumens of output, but in my testing I found the output was not that high. It was quite similar to that of UFO-A which was around 1000 lumens. You can see the flashlight's brightness in the video. I don't know if the company wrote that by mistake on their product page, but this was only giving around 1000 lumens or less than that. And since the DTXL was running on two 18650 batteries, it was giving more battery life than the UFO-A. On the overall, these tactical flashlights were okay for the price. The only thing these flashlights were missing was battery charging capabilities. There is no facility to recharge your battery. You need to buy a separate charger for your 18650 batteries. So that was my video on these budget tactical flashlights made by Hosyo. They're quite cheap and offer good performance. The UFO-A costs about 800 rupees and the DT-XL costs 1000 rupees. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.